Yo, Emma, can you describe the trade you took yesterday?
Yeah, which one? The shorts? The one that's on my screen right now?
Yeah, the shorts one. Yeah, I was like, I want to know what was like the reason behind it.
Yeah, I got you. Don't let me forget after I do breakdown. What's up? Good morning, squad. What's up, player? Yo, we in this bitch. Good morning, bro. Good morning, bro. Let me send out fucking YouTube and then we'll get started here, player. Might have to go get me some coffee too. Bro, I haven't slept. I'm on 0 hours of sleep. 0 hours of sleep. I traded London session, had a beautiful fucking GJ short with my boy EP, and we're gonna continue it on here. Any session I hit, y'all know what time it is. I'm putting up a poll, so answer: profitable, break even, profitable, and loser. Which one are you? Zombie mode, zombie mode. No, I'm honestly, bro, I'm chilling, bro. I can't even fucking tell you guys what I was doing last night, but just a whole bunch of hoes, whole bunch of drugs, just tons of fun. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm damn near married. I was just coding last night with my boy. All right, cool. 4 hour time frame. It's like that meme. I'm losing this week, so I'm losing this week. I'm losing this week so weak. Well, start fucking winning, bro. Who are you following? All right, cool. So 4 hour time frame. Bro, literally since we've been reacting off of this resistance, we talk about it all of the time. We've had some major moves pushing away from this area. I think it's like 300 to 500 points per move, 1,000 points per move. My bad. And going into the future, it's no different. As soon as we come up to a 4 hour resistance, we simply expect it to come down to a support, regardless of how fucking bullish trend is. I guess the biggest thing I use for bias is seeing what we're currently reacting off of on 4 hour time frame. Okay, we're bearish, and so going to lower time frames, I kind of want to play off of this unless we got a bit more confluence. So look what we got going on. Fucking now, we have London lows sitting down here. We've already grabbed London lows as soon as we broke below this low, started to push back within the range, and are fucking sending it, bro. I mean, it's really not showing any remorse to just continue onwards. Don't have any trend line and confluence here. So, in order for us to take any buys, or in order for us to take any sells, we need some type of bearish structure form. You know, maybe we can come down and break below these Asian lows, which are happening right now. Give us some type of rejection from that point, and then we can break below lows. But, bro, we have a fat range to fill. Even to come down to this low sitting down here, we still have 250 points. I'm down to take these shorts. We're just gonna have to wait for some type of shit to line up. Price is sending it right now. And then as far as buys go, we don't really have shit. I mean, we have that first tap here, second tap here, so we're waiting to see what happens once we come up to this for the third time. If we get that reaction and then give a newfound resistance and then continue to push up, then I will start pushing back up, obviously up into, and again, just nasty fucking range, bro. We have 50 points before London highs, 100 points before the next high, and then our range is a whole 360 points of trade. Like, I really like where we're at, but no fucking setups yet, We'll have to see what's going on there. All right, let me put this up so I don't forget. All right, cool. And then going into Nas, so no setups on US 30 so far. And Jaime, I haven't forgot about you. I'll go run through the sell from yesterday. No, I did not take this trade. I only took the sells on US 30 that I called to you guys. 4 hour on Nas, same shit, but we're just sending it. We've been creating all-time highs, seems like every week, if not every other week, and we're not going to go against that. Yeah, we might be having a little minor retracement for the past 8 hours, but do not be the person that calls tops and bottoms to the market. We're just trying to figure out what we're reacting off of on 4 hour time frame, which right now is fucking support that's all the way down here. And obviously currently what trend is as well. And today it has been for a while. They're merging with each other. We're bullish on hourly time frame trend, and we're obviously reacting off of support. So going to lower time frames, any break above resistance, I'm kind of down to take. It's pretty much what we're waiting on US 30 right now. Came up. First tap. Second tap here, and then third reaction. It's not too fucking clean, but ended up pushing above and starting to break higher. So if we start to re-break back above these highs, look how clean of a range that we have. You know, we have a fucking 40-point range before coming up to London highs. So honestly, I probably wouldn't be holding for the whole 50 points to put stops to break even. I'll probably put it to break even right here. Using a 30-point stop loss as always. What the hell? Boom, something like that, you know? And then as soon as, again, we come up to London highs, we'll go ahead and put our stops to break even, and then from that point, whatever. Now, as far as shorts, we can't take no sell-off yet, bro. If price breaks below these lows, which is probably going to happen before session open, then even worse. We have to wait for price to push below lows. I mean, I guess the higher probability, waiting for it to push below lows, creating some type of newfound support, and then continuing lower. Or if we just wanted to play off the bread and butter, and just sell off right away and not wait for newfound structure, you can take the break below these lows. But we kind of are, like, when I speak of bread and butter setups, I really like to see the violation of lows, the immediate pushback within the range, and then that break again. You know, that's kind of showing me that liquid grab traders were winning here, and then immediately we wrecked them. So shit, price is probably going to go in the opposite direction as shorts. And now that we've kind of ranged within this area and started to push back up, like, I think I'd rather just wait for newfound structure to form, and then we'll go ahead and take the break below those lows. You know what I'm saying? We just fucking wait, bro. We're having a solid week so far. So I'm gonna put split screen. God bless you, brother. You too, my man. Good to see you in here. It's crazy. I met you in fucking Orlando, bro, at the club, and your music's very cool, by the way. All right, cool. So. Split screen, NAS is on left-hand side. That's really our only setup. US 30 is on right-hand side. And then Jaime. Look at this shit, bro. I just saw, actually, we got time. What is it, 9:24? We got 6 minutes before session. Let me just run through this real quick for you, Jaime. So check it out, bro. Was that it? No. Check it out, bro. So I was hopping on for FOMC, and honestly, just kind of trying to wait for new structure to form since we're sitting within this range. And I was gonna wait for new structure on both ends. I kind of wanted to wait for a break below these lows, just because when you start to tighten price like this during an odd period of time, you know it's not session open. A lot of times we grab that first initial low and then continue onwards. So it's like, all right, let me just wait for some type of new structure and I'll take the trade. And then the very next candle happened. We ended up pushing above all sellers from New York session, bro. Obviously, all their stop losses are sitting up here, right at New York highs. Even though I don't really play same session highs too much, but price ended up pushing above those highs and faked the shit out of buyers literally immediately with that next candle. Okay, so a ton of buyers are getting into the market. Obviously, a ton of liquidity traders are getting into the market, and a ton of stop losses are getting hit from all these London sellers. Okay, so now, instead of waiting for newfound support, which, I mean, again, it could have been higher probability by waiting for that extra confluence for a retracement trade. Since we grabbed those highs, I went ahead and just risked it for the biscuit. As soon as we started to push lower, this is when I sent the signal out when it was sitting like right here. Told you guys, as soon as we break below lows, I'm going to go ahead and get into the trade. And then we fucking sent it, bro. This shit's clean. First initial candle ended up breaking below lows. The only reason I didn't put stops to break even here, because I think it did hit the full 50. Yeah, I hit the full 50. Bro, I was just waiting for these lows to get hit. You know, waiting for that liquidity pull. And then once these lows got hit sitting down here, then it stopped to break even, then whatever happens from that point. Whatever, you know? But this was a snipe for me, though. I got out like 70 points. So I got out damn near 1 to 3 if I was risking 25 points, but, you know, just a little over a 1 to 2 yesterday.
Yo, Emmett, so in this case, you used New York high and low as your like London highs and London lows.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I used London high to kind of give me extra confluence to not wait for new structure. And even if I did, bro, we still would have ate yesterday. Just a lot of volume during that time period. Make sense? Same page?
Yeah, I got it.
All right, cool. Yeah, of course. People just showing up, you guys are probably, what the fuck? That's not what the charts look like today. All right, back to split screen. 3 minutes till session open. What's that?
You said that was sent out yesterday somewhere?
No, I just send it for free in the general chat.
Oh, okay.
I haven't done that shit in a long time.
Got it.
Yeah, you guys are getting the utmost highest quality setups, which are always going to be during New York Stock Exchange Open. Anything beyond that is just beyond that. I mean, yeah, this is as good as the signal got here. No signal. We'll wait for your signal to confirm you enter, because I said I might short US 30. Solid setup brewing. I said no signal, live trade sessions only here, but this is the trade, and then boom. It was like a fucking half-ass signal.
Under anesthesia, should I get surgery for my right meniscus?
Meniscus. What is that? Elbow or knee?
Knee.
Knee. There's 3 parts to the knee. It's a meniscus, and what are the other 2?
The ACL and the PCL.
ACL, PCL, yeah. For sure. You good now? You just healing up? You ain't good. It's about to take a while. Yeah.
I'm just in my bed, this big ass brace, like this last ice contraption thing that's got like some tubes connected up to like a container of ice. It just blows like cold air on my knee. It's actually cool as fuck. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, that is cool as fuck. Oh, is it cool as fuck in a cool way or in a temperature cool way?
Both. That's why I was an athlete in high school.
Yo, Austin said hibiscus, bro. Tell me what I was about to say, but I had to keep it professional for sure. Hibiscus. It's crazy. Did Jaime pass that account yet? Yeah, bro. He every night he passes it in his dreams, and then he wakes up 2 minutes before New York Open. Nah, we only got 1 minute, player. You taking a break below the US 30 lows? Oh, my bad, G. Let's go see. There is no lows. We just grabbed fucking Asian lows like we were speaking about. So ideally, you know, what would be nice is starting to push up from this point, get the grab of those lows, end up taking out, literally same thing as we just spoke about US 30 yesterday with this trade. Coming up to take out these early buyers here, and then as soon as we break back below lows, go ahead and take that trade. We literally have no fucking setup here. Because now, and I'll test you guys, any reason would I or would I not take this trade right here? I mean, I already fucking gave it away, but any reason why I wouldn't take this trade here, we'll put it that way.
You're on the 15-minute, bro.
Oh, shit. Hell yeah. This is already forming our 2 candle structure. Okay, so we've already grabbed these London lows, or Asian lows, which it's not really the precedence of this trade. I'm simply just waiting for new structure. Shit, bro, we might take this. If we get this second candle close bearish or bullish, I'm just going to take it as soon as session opens right here. Thank you, John. What's up, y'all? Good morning. Chilling.
It is open.
I mean, we just opened, yeah. Okay, so we never closed bullish. Damn, this bitch is sending it right now, bro. 45 points. If you guys took this, I mean, yeah, confluence, you have higher time frame resistance on your side. You have volume on your side, and obviously a break below support. I'm waiting for that additional confluence, so this bitch could be gone without me. We're about to find out. So far, solid wait for that additional confluence. Taking a break below the US 30 lows, nah, bro. I almost fucked that up. Sitting on 15 minute. Wow. Yeah, and there ain't nothing we could. There was no structure. This is just, you know, if this thing took off without us, you'd be like, well, damn, you know, we probably fucking missed the entry by trying to wait for extra confluence. But this bitch here, bro, sheesh, ain't nothing we could do about that. You know, we're pushing too. We just swept below Asian lows. We just filled in this gap. So maybe we'll get that opposite end reaction to you right now. As soon as you take out this low. But she gone though. This is definitely an exterior high. None of you guys answered it, but she gone, bro. solid fucking hold on US 30 here. Okay, so if this ends up closing bullish, we'll just take it, bro. We'll take that as the grab, and then we'll send it lower, unless it continues to retrace and it makes this an exterior low. What's up, y'all? Good morning. Gone, bro. Golly. All right, I can see you guys on fucking on Instagram too again for a little bit. Until I get into a trade, I can always read you guys' shit. All right, looks like we just swept all the sellers in the world here. Obviously, we're bearish, so we're not going to take the first initial break above these highs. But damn. Sell setup is coming in hot. We got 2 minutes until this candle closure, and then I'll put it set in stone and get us ready for it. I'm going to put it up here just in case, so I can be ready and shit, but it's not set in stone yet. It's not set in stone yet. That opening candle is fat, bro. That's a fucking triple the size of our stop loss. 100, literally. Damn. Oh my god. We're back. Amazing breakdown. Plug. The alien. Thanks, bro. Love when people call me alien. Now I know how they feel. They, them. Now I know how they, them feel. This guy. I brought this bitch all the way down to 4,400 or 44K this week. Started. I think right at baseline, I was really close to 50K this week. Brought it all the way down to 44K. Right now, sitting at 52K. So today's the day we fucking send this bitch to the moon. Today is the day that we can get jiggy with this shit. Okay, we're now putting the set in stone. We break below these lows, we'll go ahead and get in. Median to price is really far away, so we know you're not going to take the trade, John Paul. But we will be taking this trade. Hopefully, price kind of settles out a bit. So when we come back down to entry, median to price is a lot fucking closer than it currently is. But we're currently tapping into it now, so let's see what happens. We're set in stone here. Nas now is traveling a holy shit worth. 93 points since open. Wow, bro. What the hell is it pushing for?
I think Trump tweeted something about
Wow.
being a piece of shit or worthless.
That makes 2 of them. Or it's not a trade day and I win 2K. You win 2K? Ah. Shouldn't have brought that up. I'd rather just call a fucking bullshit trade and win the 2K. Fuck them. Just kidding. I wouldn't do that to y'all.
It also looks like US 30 is rejecting a 1 hour key level.
US 30 is rejecting that 1 hour key level. High for resistance or support?
Resistance. If you look at it over hella long.
In the building. Or it's not a... Yo, are you guys here on fucking Instagram? Oh, you guys can't see me on YouTube. The fuck, bro? It's literally off. The fuck? USB. It looks so weird without me up here. Why did nobody say anything? Can you guys even hear me on fucking YouTube? I remember I plugged it earlier too. I don't think it's gonna work the whole entire session. Cause I took it off. I had to fucking clean out my computer, bro. I got you guys. Zoom, you guys can't see me for today. It's gonna have a bad YouTube video if not. Alright, boom. Oh shit, it's all small and shit. Oh shit. It's all good, I got y'all. There you go. Now you see them fucking handsome little motherfucker up there. Everybody on Instagram, move over, bro. I'm about to switch that shit. We gotta take a trade here soon. If anything, Zoom should come to YouTube or Insta to get the viewers up. No, hell no, bro. Don't no Zoom. Don't go to YouTube. We're good where we're at. Yeah, no, hell no. There he goes. Yo, Instagram, you guys have such a little small fucking. Look at this, yo. Look at the little camera up here. Hell no. All right, cool. Price is starting to push down to these lows. So, bit of exterior lows because obviously we retraced more than 50% of this move. And these are such fat fucking candles, bro. Honestly. Like, it's kind of trippy to use such a tight stop loss with us rushing down. Definitely going to take it, but what I'm saying is I may be a bit variable stop loss. If we fucking just push down low and then create that top wick right away, I'm probably going to hold it a bit further. If you're fearful of that, if you want to set stop loss, this would not be the trade for you to take, you know? Accept that shit. All right, let's get it. I'm ready to go. That shit looks so funny on YouTube, bro. I'm gonna just instant execute. Because I don't think I got time for all that shit. I'm getting set up still. Whoa. I might swerve up in US 30. Whoa, whoa. All right, we ready, player? Yes, sir. Yo, can whoever that is mute your background noise now, bro? Fucking mute it now. I can't do it myself. All right, let's get it, baby. Thank you, whoever did that. Looks like somebody understands sense of urgency. Okay, we're in these shorts here. Again, variable stock, yo, median price is fucking 60 points away, bro. Median price 60 points away. I'm in 0.7. So I'm risking like $1,800 on this trade for whoever's about to fucking ask. I don't have a hard stop loss yet. We in? Yeah, we in. Who's in this trade? 1 in the chat, you're in this trade. 2 in the chat, you're a loser. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Awesome, no losers today. Beautiful. Okay, TP1 just got destroyed here. Big dubs, big dubs, big dubs, big dubs, big dubs. Very, very good. I'm up $3,000. Very, very good.
Are you placing stops at B yet, or did we hit?
No, not yet. That's very, very good. Whoa, that's fucking not very good. Very, very scary. If you guys want to pull out BE, do your thing. I'm going to let it breathe a little bit, bro. But, yo, that's scary. I'm still in this trade. Potentially regretfully, yeah, but we didn't hit the 50 points, bro. Jesus. Mean grab. Mean fucking grab here. I'm going to hold through it, though. I still think we're going to dump lower. I can get jiggy with this shit. Beast went BE. Lloyd went BE. Ramon took out TP1.
I'm still holding this bitch.
My man's is still holding this bitch. It's like I want to pull out, wait for newfound support, and then take the break, but that's low, bruh. This is the optimal entry. Fucking little bitch. Try my hand with you. Brutal, bro. Brutal. And median price is so fucking far. Like, we've already filled in the rest of the gap. I don't think we can hold too much beyond ESA. I'm gonna just keep it a buck with y'all. Maybe I should have made you guys put BE here. I'm down 470 right now.
Let us know when you pull them, please.
Yeah, of course. Ramon's out 100 points from filling that gap. 150 point move so far. This is fucking dirty, bro. Very, very not good. Still in with you. Yeah, real men should still be in this trade. Shout out to y'all. If you're not in this trade, well, you understand what that means about yourself. It may go up, hit the moving average, and then shoot back down. Yeah, well, I can't hold that far, though. It doesn't matter. I'll be taken out if that happens. There's nothing holding us back from continuing higher from here, you know? I might just pull here soon, yo. Oh my god. Alright, I'm in Poland. I got out at 9:10. That's actually sexy. I lost 9:10. We'll go ahead and if you guys are holding, you're at. In my opinion, you should get the fuck out of the trade. You know, you shouldn't be losing more than where it's currently at. You're already at an additional like 10 points. You know, or maybe not, like 7 points. I think it's a good time to get out. Moving forward from this point, solid. I should have put us to BE. You know, we hit a hole. I think like 44 points. But look at this bitch, bro. This is the shit. This is the fucking shit right here. No, I'm not getting back in this. It just kind of is what it is, fam. Let me actually stop this recording. It just is what it is, bro. And then Nas is kind of gone. If we hit, we dyeing our hair green. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. And then pushing below lows. We still have like a 160 point range. Interesting. Give me a second here, y'all. Let's wait and see what happens with this 5-minute closure. If we get that 2 candle structure, I may get us back in our call. We'll see. I want to hit today too. My account is sitting at 49,800. So we're back to baseline. It's been a BE week now. I mean, on this account. My small account, I'm fucking pissing on motherfuckers, but it doesn't matter. It's not much money. Plug. TP3 or bust for me. I'm going to go with, I think you busted here, pal. You know? It's tight. It's a tight position. I'm hoping for potentially some interior structure so we can get into our secondary trade. I ain't done yet, bro. Jaime says she's lost 976. Oh, not bad. So 1%. Are you on 100K, I think? I ask you all the time, my bad. You've been in it for fucking 3 years, so I should just remember now. Took a little $300, enough for some dinner. Deal. Deal. Where you at with the recent $500 challenge, bro? It's just fucking sitting here, dude. It's just sitting here, bro. I will update it. I'll fucking... The only time I've been taking trades on the $500 account is during PM session, just because that's my third account, so it's a fucking bitch, and I haven't shown any respect to it. Me and EP been coding demons the past like 2 weeks. Which, by the way, we ran... well, I'm still not going to talk about it. Never mind. But we're fucking the best code developers in the entire fucking world. No coding school. Have no idea how to code before. You paired me up with ChatGPT, brother. Incredible. My buddy bought EP's algo. EP's algo ain't got shit on what we're working on. Let's keep it a buck here. They'll never put EP's algo and my shit in the same category. It's disrespectful. Good poll here, y'all. Whoever held on and married that trade is gonna experience some pain here. We're gonna move on to our next trade. Down 5%. Damn, Jaime, you're down 5% during our best month of the entire year. It's something internally going on with you, player. Laugh aloud. Why do you say that? His bot just has nothing on the bot that I'm creating. Period. You know, there's no martingale going on with my bot. There's no fucking, what is it, like Caesar 6-7 step patterns before it deletes the martingale or hedging or whatever that most people do. That shit, it just destroys accounts during down periods. All stop loss and TP is completely reliant on ATR, the entire code. And so even if we have the craziest markets in the world, it'll still be able to perform because it's not based off of a set anything. It is based off of the current volume of that day. And we've just have had such a fucking fat milestone yesterday. It was crazy. Does EPs have martingale? I have no idea what you're talking about, Kevin. I know he has a bot, but I've never used it. So I have no idea about his bot play. I know you were going to buy it or some shit, but I have no idea. I have no idea about it. Don't know how it operates, what time it operates, the stats of it, none of it. None of it matters because my bot is 10 times better. Luckily for him, we're doing it together. I'm using this account to learn to hold full TP 3s or more. Yeah, you know what's crazy about the bot? This is fucking cool. Yeah, no, I'm serious. I'm serious. Yeah, so over like 4 or 5 years, the bot's fucking performance. What was I gonna get at with this? She fucked me up with that shit. Bot's performance, whole year, highs and lows. I forgot, but it's no dynamic risk. It is the same exact risk per trade. ATR, it is dynamic as far as stop loss and TP goes. And I honestly had a really fucking tough time intertwining liquid grabs with the bread and butter setup. So I pulled away from liquid grabs and just did the bread and butter setup completely. That's pretty much what we did yesterday. Crazy, bro. The statistics are crazy because, first of all, the highest, that's what I was getting at. The highest percentage we've gained is by putting TP to a 1-6 instead of 1-3, which I thought was really fucking interesting. 1-6 has a way higher win rate than, not win rate, fucking income, than anywhere from a 1-1 to a 1-10. 1-6 by far yields the best results over 5 years, which is fucking crazy. So, it's interesting, bro. But I can talk all I want. I'm very long time away from, you know, having something that can actually be credible and sold and shit like that. So don't get too excited. 1-6 is wild. Yeah, it's and definitely not the goal for sure. I don't want any 1-6 because then people are just gonna watch it run for a year and they'll see that it's trading at a 40%, even though it's fat with gains. People just can't stand to see that shit. Loss, win. Loss, win. Loss, win. You know? It doesn't matter if all the money's going up. You're like, why the fuck does it lose so much? It's like high RR. So it'll be like the sweet spot between 1-2 to 1-4 will be the set file that I initially give out. But again, bro, it's gonna take a long time. I'll take it. It's not about loss, it's about profits. Facts. Yeah, and also this is more so geared towards long term. So we were speaking, you know, I was telling you guys about running it for 5 years, you know, from 2021 to 2025. So that's 4 years, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 years. It's fucking. It goes through high drawdown periods as well. You know what I'm saying? So far, you know, I have all the mechanics on it and shit, but it's like we've never made less than 100% for the whole 5 years, regardless of 1 to 3, 1 to 6, 1 to 10, whatever we're testing. Never made less than 100% for a full year, which is fire. But there's months where it'll be down, bro. You know, like 20, 30%. And then it'll recover the shit. But out throughout the entire year is profitable. So just kind of interesting. Like not every month of it is profitable like I thought it would be so far. But most months by far are extremely profitable. So it's just kind of fun to see, bro. Dude, I will go hang with you 2 hours away. Let me know what we need to get it popping. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, for sure. You're in I'm going out to, oh, you're shit, bro. You're like 4 hours away from me. Are you in Miami with him or are you out here in like Orlando or some shit? Yeah, you like 3.5 hours away from me. Price is coming up here to this third reaction now. You know, one reaction here, second reaction here, kind of getting that third 15-minute reaction now. If we get that resistance form, cool. We'll push it back up in the range. We still have a mean fucking range, bro. Still got 90 points before coming up to that next period of liquidity. Oh, where you buy? I'm in Tampa, bro. I'm in Tampa. I'm 5 minutes from Tampa Riverwalk. I thought you were by Orlando, Tampa area. I am. I can get there in about 2.5 hours. Oh, yeah, shit. You one of those, huh? Yeah, I'm going out to Orlando this weekend. We're going to play poker on tomorrow. And then I'm going to, don't worry, y'all, I'm bringing a set amount of money this time. And then Saturday, I'm going to the river and shit. Man, we're about to have a fire fucking weekend. I'm excited. Definitely one of those. Y'all know me, I be disconnecting for the weekend, bro. I do my job during the week of getting people into the group, trying to spread the good information, the true word, and the weekend comes, and gone, bro. Fucking gone. Sounds like a good weekend. Yeah, feel free to join, brother. We're going to lose money Friday and then go wash it away in the river on Saturday. Yeah, man. All right, so Nas, I'm not gonna take it. It's too fucking far away from me, honestly, bro. I hate to have a second no trade day, even though Thomas is probably wanking his chuck right now, waiting for it. But I don't think I'll be taking a trade on Nas, bro. It's a whole fat fucking 200-point range. You know? You're like a Jesus who takes breaks. No, this is crazy. If we, for some reason, and I still doubt it, but if we didn't trade today, this would be the first or second no trade day. Or the first or second time this whole year we've had 2 no trade days in a row. It's kind of weird, you know? After the second trade day, then you really start itching and the addiction starts coming in heavy. And you just need it. Try not to put you guys through that. All right, we're getting our third reaction here to this trend line, which means we still got 4 minutes until this candle closes before I can get you into a trade. I'm going to go brew some coffee real quick. For everybody who's still around, when I get back on YouTube, I'll send you guys the Zoom link so you can come kick it with us. Maybe. I'll be back. get ready. We're about to go out to eat once I'm done with stream. No, we're about to go out with my boy in like 40 minutes. What? Alright, cool, yeah. Dude, we'll just go eat breakfast and shit. Alright, what we got going on here? The Wizard. No invite, scratches my head, Emmett. Where's to go eat some food? You don't want no fucking invite, bro. I've been out to eat every fucking day. I wouldn't even cook at home anymore. We just go out every day. It's so bad. It's so fucking bad. I miss the home cookings and shit. We're through the honeymoon phase. We're 7 years in now. And she doesn't cook me any fucking breakfast anymore. We got breakfast coming up apparently. No, we fucking don't, bro. We have to go buy our own breakfast. Because the honeymoon stage is fucking over. Just kidding. I'm planning a personal rave for my B-Day. I don't know if she can hear me because I have like soundproofing and shit on this whole wall. I soundproofed the wall. And then, oh, you guys can't fucking see, can you? Oh, you guys can on YouTube. And then this whole bitch is soundproof floor. You know, like the shit you use for a gym. And then my door, I put gaskets all around it. And, you know, so I could just be loud and ignorant. Like, especially, bro, me and EP are coding at fucking 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning, 6 in the morning. Could you imagine if she had to hear me the whole time? Jimi Hendrix meets Bobby Brown. Yikes, brother. That sounds like a lot of drugs involved. All right, let me go grab this coffee. Be careful, Tony. So good. So good. This is lining up nicely. If we can get this bearish candle, we'll get the push. Yeah, I'm calling it, Joe. No trade day on that. I'm just gonna. I don't want to take this out, bro. We're gonna get back on US30, but no trade day on that. Still sucks to suck, Thomas. We still got one trade in, so you're fucked. Link up in Tampa. All I had was free breakfast for everyone in the Zoom. Link up in Tampa. I ain't giving free breakfast to nobody, bro. I just lost the breakfast fucking money. The breakfast money is gone. All right, so we have that second 5 minute candle out coming into this area. We're getting that good rejection. And so if we can get this bearish close in 4 minutes, cool, bro. I'll take this shit all day long. You want to see what it's going to look like? I'll show you guys firsthand. It's going to look like this. Pretty much right there. And the next one's going to come in. Hot. But small. And then the third one will come in. Hot. Third one's coming in hot. And then that'll be us right here. Looking for a sell, iPhone said. Nah, because I would need interior structure, bro. So if we broke above these highs, I ain't taking that shit down here. We'd have to break above highs, give us that interior structure, and then we take that secondary sell below lows, you know? Like, I'm open to risk. I want to end, July has been disgusting regardless of how we end, but I want to end on a dub. This is the last day of July. It just got to be on our terms or else we ain't taking it. You didn't take your sell call on US30 yesterday? After session, bro. That was called in general chat after session. Come on, bro. We call me out. I'll show you. Come on, bro. Custom 730. $730 to $731. We got Or wherever the fuck. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, wait. Yeah, you can. You're on there. We got taken out, and then I made it all back ×2. And then we just got taken out of this trade too. Minor loss. Sexy, sexy day so far. For the month? But don't be. 25K. I'm almost withdrawed all of it too. On this one account. Wherever the fuck you're at. I'm sorry, Zoom, you guys can't see any of this shit. Yeah, we're going for 50K this month, which is a big jump on one account for me. I'm trying to. I will see what happens, but I've been too fucking pussy to risk the whole 3K, so we'll see how that goes. The fuck? Nice. Did I save that at least? Oh, I did. Gotta post some losses too, you know? They don't happen much. Alright, we got 1 minute left. If this fucking candle could close bearish and just get a rip, bro. We just grabbed a ton of buyers in the market. Let's get that pullback so we can go. I'm ready to hop in. Teeth are out. It's fucking time for battle. Profitable, yeah. Yeah, profitable week, yeah. I think adding up accounts, I'm low profit, but that account just took me back to the BE stage for the week. We got a hit here. Yeah, we're BE on stream. Oh my God, the top. That shit going to hit 44,660. 44. Oh, you're looking for buys. My man, where'd you learn that from? It's going to hit 660. What you talking about, Willis? What you talking about, iPhone? You talking about up here? I want to say I'm proud of you, but I don't know. I want to make sure I'm actually proud. You know? We got that bearish closure now. You know, we got that bearish closure. So we have two options. We can fucking wait, as we were going to wait here, for a newfound resistance to form and not take that break. Or we can get risky and just take the break and move forward, which is what I plan to do. I want to just get risky here. If you're fucking scared, bro, well, then don't take the trade. All right, I'm going to put it to 40 points since ATR is kind of ugly, but it's a 30-point stop loss. It's just variable. I know some of you people need to see that shit. All right. It's just a variable stop. Really want that median of price to get closer to us, but it's all good, bro. You're starting to put something on my radar, John. Maybe we need that. That fucking median of price close. If you're scared, go to church. It's Tupac. He said that shit? I thought that was Lil Jon. Mama didn't raise no bitch. Said Lab. Alright, so I'm going to give it a shot here. Actually, though. If we lose, well, sucks to suck. I'm good for the risk. I enjoy the setup. I'm going to go ahead and execute. Who's with me? Who's with me, man?
I'm with you. I'm with you.
You guys ever watch Half Baked? Who's coming with me, man? You guys aren't true fucking hippies. All right, we're coming here.
It would be nice for it to go down a little bit more before shooting up.
Yeah, get that last bearish can. I agree. I'm not gonna wait for it, but I definitely agree too. I would love to see that shit.
And tap that moving average at least. That thing's like a slingshot.
Yeah, I'm ready for it to fucking tap that thing. Fill in the rest of that gap and fucking cook. I'd rather be your nigga. My brother used to sing that to my mom when he was younger. He like learned it from his dad or some shit. The I'd rather be an NIGGA so I could get drunk and smoke weed all day. Every time like we go to a family, get together or some shit, my mom always brings that story up. That you just love that fucking line. Like, Mom, why is this kid singing that shit, bro? You're a white lady. My mom is a listen to Jamaican music ass woman. I grew up with a whole bunch of Jamaican dreadheaded motherfuckers. Listen to a whole bunch of hippie bomba clot boy. Yeah, all that shit. Motherfuckers cook good food, but they're I can't, I guess I can now. It's crazy. I used to not be able to understand those fuckers when I was younger, when they were talking and shit. My mom's white ass, bro. She'd put on, when white people put on an accent to be something else. My mom is really good at that, and I'm good at that shit too. Yeah, I'll take the fucking hit. She's taught me that shit. It's solid, but it's kind of fun. Like hanging out when I was younger with their fucking white friends and how they would talk and mingle and shit, and then we go hang out with the Jamaicans, bro. Completely different fucking people. I don't even think she knows that she does that shit. White people. He said, if you're scared, go to church. I know it hurts to find out me and your man be sharing skirts. I find out and me and your man be sharing skirts. That's crazy, bro.
That's kind of scary.
It's 2025, so a line like that just hits a little bit different nowadays,
Yeah.
It's like, well, what do you mean, brother? It's crazy. You and her man are sharing skirts, bro. What the fuck are you doing, G? So we could get drunk and smoke weed all day. Damn, I'm old. You ain't old, bro. You right on time, player. You right on time. My guy, Job, what's up, player? Shout out to big motherfucking Job in the building. Bro, have these people send your fucking account, bro. What's going on in here? Arthur, you in here, bro? I know you think I'm bullshitting, bro. I messaged, he said, please remind me tomorrow. I will get this taken care of and processed. I got you, bro. $2,500. Arthur whooped all y'all's ass in the competition. He got like 200 and something fucking percent and whooped everybody's ass. And now he's getting a $2,500 account for free from Gates FX. Job whooped everybody's fucking ass in the prop firm. He's the one who's in the chat right now. So he's getting a 100K motherfucking two-step for free just for whooping ass. Proud of you guys. Big dubs in the chat for you guys whooping ass. Big dubs for whooping ass. Whooping ass and taking names, brother. Who won the Gates? Some guy named Jack, bro. I'm just kidding. It's Arthur. Somebody who's in the chat, in Zoom chat. We don't bullshit our giveaways around here. Even though it'd be very easy to do so. We give things away for real. Man, them niggas gay. That's my show, bro. If anybody knows me, you know the Boondocks Anthem is literally Zen Lab song for sure. Yeah, I got my account. Oh, yep, Gene got a giveaway account. We don't bullshit, bro. We give shit away. Y'all hit today? We did, brother. We hit. Unfortunately, we weren't the ones doing the hitting, but we hit. Got hit, whatever you want to say. Doesn't matter. Emmett is legit. Yeah, he's pretty legit. Hit. Stop loss. Jean-Paul says. Jean-Paul Renoir. My brother's best friend in fucking Colorado was his name, bro. Jean-Paul Renoir. All one word. Jean-Paul. Geanpaul. Renoir. Nenair. Some weird shit, It was like Renard, but it was Renoir. We reload tomorrow. Let's get it. Use my link, bro. Use my link. Link in the description. Up 4.7K today. I'm chilling. Yes, sir. No choice. Yeah. All right, cool. So we're retracing pretty much 50% of this move, y'all. Market gods don't want us to win. They don't want to get us in the market. And so probably just going to chill out on that secondary trade. I just don't want to accept that shit. Joe, if you get an instant fight or are you passing phases? I gave him the option, but he wanted the two-step. Yeah, I gave him the option, bro. All right, we have somebody in the chat named Idiot. Look at that. What an idiot. VRIV. There's Silent Goat in here? Oh, it's Silent Goat. Look at this shit, King. He's calling himself an idiot now. What's wrong with you, bro? Two-step the best, no lie. Yeah, there's no hiding shit. The boy Funded Hero took this motherfucker out on the river and talked to him about all the accounts. Two-step is by far the best rules and works the best towards traders. You know, time crunch rise, obviously instant funded accounts are the best for quickest payouts, but as far as longevity, you know, percentage-wise and such, and obviously the account that takes the longest to get funded is going to give you the best rules once you actually do get funded. King, get that payout in person. I'll fly in with you. Yeah, King is too focused on fucking FTMO, which is cool, but you know, Funded Hero, same rules and better and half the price, literally. Like what the fuck, bro? I'm kidnapping Dollar and bringing him back to Canada with me. Yeah, for sure, bro. Take him. Words are powerful. Call yourself an idiot, you become an idiot. Yo, actually, no messing around. I fully fucking agree with that. The drop on Nas isn't the worst setup. Yeah, we've just phoned 180 points since 190 points, pretty much 200 points, fam. You know? And so if you want to break beyond that range, you can't. Like I said, like, you know, confluence wide, it is a 3 or more confluence trade, most definitely. We're reacting off a 4-hour resistance. We're breaking both support. And that's it. I mean, you got the 2 candle structure too. You can add the 2 candle structure in there. It's a 3 confluence trade. Lower probability setup, but definitely a, you know, nonetheless 3 confluence trade. Dow Jones, on the other hand, I think we can get 4 out of it here. We can go check real quick. We have higher time frame trend on our side, or not on our side, or on our side. We don't have higher time frame support and resistance on our side because we're reacting off of resistance. Obviously, 5-minute trend line we have on our side. We've got that third reaction, so now the 4th time pushing up. It's a part of our bias now. And then we got fucking 5-minute support resistance. Of course, previous session highs and lows. Bread and butter kind of already happened, so we're just pushing in the direction. I don't really use that as confluence from that point. And then obviously 2 candle structure. You know, we have more than 2 candles going the opposite direction of trend. This is a clean trade. This is a higher, I guess, middle probability setup. I'll take this all day long. Watch me.
We can't do that previous session as well as uncle. We're targeting high.
I guess I just like to see it as the actual, you know, right away. Did we grab lows and we're creating a bread and butter setup? Or did we grab lows and we're starting to push back up in a range and taking some type of buy here? But like grabbing these lows and then grabbing lows again and then pushing up to highs, like I don't see this as a liquid grab setup where we have confluence of previous session lows, you know? And clear range of fill. Yeah, this is clean. You ain't got to talk me up, bro. I'm ready to take it. Tell the markets to get up there. Kidnapping Dollar and bringing him back to Canada is crazy, though. Up 5.5K. Let's go. Holding because we ain't no bitch. In Emmett, we trust. Smart man. Yeah, smart man. Instagram, just so y'all know, it's not usually like this with the small fucking camera and shit. It looks so funny over there. Here, I'll blow it up. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Now it's a big motherfucker up there. 25-point stop loss. I'm ready to get risky on this one. Bro, let's go, John. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. You know, and we're starting to create interior structure here too, bro. So if we really want to get risky, we're just boxing in price again. You know, look what we got. Nasty clean range to come up to London highs. And also, we have a nice low, what, 70 points to lows? 90 points to lows? Come on, bro. What more can we ask for? We got Paul sitting in front of Paul. This is a beautiful day. How you doing, Paul? Paul? You good, Paul? Paul?
I'm living the dream, my friend.
My man, living the dream, brother.
Smash out the park.
I don't know who looks best, bro. The one behind you or the one in front. Y'all are killing it out here. Do you come as a package deal?
For real.
What's that?
The man behind you is the man himself. I don't even know if you know it.
What the fuck? I'm doing this on my phone.
Yeah, bro. Look, I'm about to take a picture of you, bro. Let's see. Hold on.
Let me see.
I got you. Oh, Brittany's in there. Hold on. Let me try it again. Paul's in there too. Boom. There we go. All right. Just this. Yo, look at this shit, bro. This shit crazy. All right, can you see my? Look at fucking you. This is you, but then you got your picture in the background. Legend.
I don't know how that's happened.
That's some G shit, bro. That's gonna get saved. That's gonna get saved
No,
for sure. That's gonna be my new. I'm gonna merge our faces together to see what we look like, brother. That's what AI did. That's what AI is supposed to be used for. If Paul was related to Emmett, what would they look like? We'll do it after session. It's very important work. Is Brittany still in class? Nah, bro. She out here just fucking around, dude, as always. Yeah, Brittany's still in class. I used to when we had who the fuck was that, bro? All I'm gonna say is I've learned my lesson from putting women up on the big screen. They can only be here in Zoom because you motherfuckers are weird, bro. Christy is here, but she doesn't talk anymore because people are fucking weird. Damn, that's it? Christy, Brittany. Where the fuck did Anessa go? Anessa's not in here anymore. Chloe, I think, is a dude, I'm pretty sure. iPhone, who knows who the fuck that is. Yeah, I think we got like 5 girls in here. Isn't that very interesting? This is bro territory, though. They gotta know that shit, bro. You guys are in our fucking territory. The motherfuckers. I only come to live Zooms to see Brit smile. Wow, bro. This is what I'm talking about right here, fam. This is the shit, bro. This is the shit, bro. Yo, what's up, Hugo? How you doing, bro?
Just woke up.
Perfect. Right on time, play. We about to get into this trade right quick. I'm not taking this one candle structure yet, so if this next candle opens up bullets here, you know?
Well, I didn't buy that.
Why did we buy this right here?
No, I said I didn't buy that. What were we talking about?
Oh, you got a fucking limit, bro? Destroy your cards, bro. I wish I had limit, bro. My cards, if anybody decided, I shouldn't say this, but to pull money from my account or some shit, approved right away. My bank is so goddamn tired of me with crypto transactions and shit, bro. Everything is approved.
Hell.
Yeah, so I'll take all my pitches. I'll take all my pitches.
Did you see the memo though?
Do I need what?
Did you see the memo I put at first?
Honestly, bro, I didn't even look at it. Then did you see I messaged you back? I was like, oh, my bad. You better not say no fucking bullshit, nigga. Yeah! That's wrong. That's fucked up. The reason why it's so funny is because this nigga dog Oh shit, my bad. Y'all can hear me now? Blew his mic out. My bad, Joe. Check out the Zoom profile pic. What is it? Is it fire? I can't see mine, bro. All I see is the note taker. Is it the car? I can't see mine, bro. When are the markets going back to normal? Hopefully never, because we've had our best month ever this month. So I'm just gonna hope for never. Whatever this irregular market is, I hope it never comes back. Cass is like, man, fuck you, bro. What you mean, bro? What have you been struggling with? I think that, you know, and it's just.
Hey, man, send me your cash out. My phone about to get off of this shit.
All right, I got you, play. Check Zoom chat then. Yo, Cass, you here, bro? I think that it's slow, yeah, for sure. Bro, I think the winner of this month, even though I've been getting a bit risky, I guess, this week, is just waiting for that extra confluence to take breaks where it's currently at. You know, I know we get deep into teaching you guys as soon as we break above that first initial high or low, you know, in the currency cave to take it. It just, bro, it's been, you know, it's really been a market of getting that initial pull below or above that first initial high or low, you know, during session open, and then the next fucking push being the push. And so for people who are not adding in that like dynamic of bias, like even this shit right here, bro, and we got caught today too, but all day long, bro, I've just been watching this shit happen from trend lines and taking that first initial break so much just for it to break. So you might just want to wait for that next structure, bro. It's been fucking killer this month and a half. Gotta love GPT. Oh, you're talking about your... Oh, the fat motherfucker, bro. Wow. FNS. FNS is down bad, bro. Fat nigga season, I'm down like 80% in that bitch right now. You know, holding tough, I've talked too heavy about it, so we gotta hold it until we blow the account. But I'm deep in the fat nigga season right now. And it's skinny nigga season, because that bitch is dying.
Has he still been making videos?
So that's no real ass selfie? Nah, bro. Nothing's real anymore, bro. Nothing's real anymore. Wow. And then, like, you know, taking a break, I really want that 2 candle structure, bro. Be patient, though. We're about to get a little hitter. It's not going to be Nas, though. It's not going to be Nas. Yo, Luca with the fucking donation. Thank you, brother. You should just come visit us instead. It's been a long time. Make sure you show up to this call today, bro. I can't say it on here, but it's a very big call. It's a very big call, man. Anybody in Currency Cave, make sure you guys show up to the call today. Brittany, are you still in Currency Cave or no? Zen B coin? You are? Yeah, we should have a full fucking panel today. Full panel today. Zen B coin. We should have a full panel today with all coaches. Sheesh, need to up the donation. Remove the dot. $500? You're about to send $500, Luca? Do it. You won't. Do it. If Luca sends $500 right now, we will take these Nat shorts. Then if I lose, it doesn't matter. We should do a meme coin scam. Nah, bro, you need to have like a, in my opinion, at least like Mamba status, you know? I hear that echo, I got it. Yeah, it needs to at least be like Mamba status, I think, to do a scam coin. So once we get up to like 200K, we'll do that. I'll get all of us in first, and then we'll fucking, it'll be like a group of us, 20, 30 people, we'll all get in, buy. And then we'll start to fucking blast it to other people. Yo, this is gonna fucking 10x. This is the reason why it's a good thing, because it's Zen B coin. Been working on it forever. We have all this liquidity behind it. Here's our fucking group. And then boom, mass send that bitch out like an IPO. And then we'll all sell. As soon as we release it and everybody buys, we all sell. That's crazy. That's how the world works, though. You know, it's fucked. Unfortunately, I never got into that like inner circle, so I was just a person who bought and then got rug pulled, just over and over again. It's like, all right, this is not the market for me. Go straight to church to repent after. Yeah, facts. Facts. Golly. That's all right, though. Come up on a nice little 2 mil. All the friends get to eat. All the outsiders lose, and then move on. Is that so bad? Would you guys join me? 1 in the chat, Zen coin. 2 in the chat, no Zen coin. Yeah. I'm just going to put a 1 for myself.
I know how to set up a coin. It's not hard. You just need like $300.
Yeah, I thought about doing like an NFT and shit, setting up an NFT when those all came out, but I just wanted to do it so I had the art, not to like make money and shit off it. Interior structure buys on NAS. Yeah, I mean you can, bro. It's just kind of crazy. Like ever since we opened up, you know, being extremely fucking bullish. We haven't broken above 1 high yet. It's crazy. We have a nice little 100-point push till highs. I would way rather take these buys on NAS if you guys are going to buy than sells on NAS. Just pushing back within the range. We can put stops to B once that shit gets, yeah. It is clean, bro. I'm just really focused on these US 30 buys. I think we're about to rock it here. Just giving it some time. We got 30 minutes left. If I can't get in by 11 o'clock, I'm out this bitch. My bad, Joe. I'm doing it right now. I got you. We're just waiting anyways. All right, I just sent it. We be having side conversations in this bitch. All right, we got 27 people on YouTube. All right, cool. We're definitely going to take a trade. We're just waiting for this to line up. Obviously, if you guys want to watch every last fucking second of the stream, you have to join the group, bro. We go live every single day, Monday through Friday, and then on YouTube only Tuesdays and Thursdays. But I'm out of here. Zoom, don't go anywhere. We're obviously still going to take our trade. I'm just getting off of fucking YouTube because it's been long enough. But everybody take care. Link is down in the description, and glad to have you a part of the community. Sorry, new to your vids. You hop in, I assume, when the charts hit that green area, correct, Emmett? Yeah, you'll have ample warning, brother. If I'm gonna get into a trade, we're all gonna fucking know for sure. All right. I'm late to the conversation. All good. Yeah. Goodbye. YouTube, take care. We'll see you guys fucking next week, bro. New month.